Hello and thanks for watching another getSoapy 2-minute tour. Today we're looking at an overview of all of getSoapy, all the major features, how you can navigate the app, how you can find help inside the app. It's a lot to get through, so let's put 2 minutes on the clock and get started. Starting at the top of the screen we have the menu bar. The first icon is Help. One tap here and you'll see a list of help guides relevant to the page you're on. You can also chat to us here if you have any questions that the help documents don't answer. Next icon is perhaps the most important, that's your notifications. When you receive a quote, when a customer messages you, when you receive a payment, all your notifications will show up here, just one tap to follow up on them. Next is the main menu, and this is how you'll navigate all the major areas of getSoapy. So let's start working down the menu. The first item in the menu is the dashboard, and that's the page that you'll be on when you first open the app. We've got recent quotes here, we've got customers who've recently updated, perhaps they've messaged me, we've got all the payments I've received today, and we've got any leads that might be nearby in the marketplace. The next major section is quotes, and whenever I receive a quote from a customer through my website, or I purchase a lead to the marketplace, it shows up here, and I can keep them organised and know who I still need to provide a quote to. Next is customers, and as you imagine, that is where your customers are. And there's a menu in here with some quick searches for recently messaged, outstanding balance, all sorts of things. Next in the menu is rounds, and this is the first feature which isn't available in our free plan. All the rounds are here, they're ordered by which ones I should be doing next because they've got the most due or outstanding or late jobs, and I can just schedule them here in one tap. Next is leads, and I can see if there's any leads available nearby in my area, and with one tap I can purchase them and send them a message. Next in the menu is payments. Here I can see all the card payments I've received from my website or direct debits I've automatically charged customers, and if I've linked my bank account I can see my transactions here and match them up to customers. Next we have jobs. Here I can see individual jobs which might be due or coming up or late, and I can schedule them or mark them as done. Next in the list is expenses, and this one's exclusive to our Plus plan. With expense tracking I can just snap a picture of a receipt, getSoapy will read the important information and keep that safe and sound in case the taxman wants to see it. The next two items are more into the nuts and bolts of getSoapy. In balance, I can see what plan I'm on, I can see how many SMS or lead credits I have, and in settings, I can change a whole load of stuff which will be covered in another video. That's a really quick overview of what getSoapy has to offer to help grow your exterior cleaning business. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like or a follow or whatever exists on this platform so you don't miss the next one. Check the description for a free trial, and have a good one.